Hi all, welcome to my channel, knowledge sharing. So hope everybody is safe and fine. In our last video, we have seen what is the Excel, what are the options we have used in Excel, like copy, paste, formatting, alignments, and saving the Excel, and what are the options we can use in Excel, and for font which we can use in Excel. So these kind of basic things which have been seen in last video. So in today video, we are going to see what is the basic formulas we can use in everyday life in our office, or like in a home also we can use, like for like small budgeting also we can use, or in our daily expenses. So let's go, without any delay, let's go to a video and start our video. So this is our Excel. This is a blank Excel. This is sheet 1. Okay, I have zoomed this sheet because last video I got a comment that the video is not much visible because it is minimum, size is bit less. Now I have zoomed the video, so you can zoom the video by clicking here. You can see here the option 100. I am making it as the 150, so it will be visible. It will be visible. Yeah. So I have opened the sheet 2. Let me say you how I open the sheet 2. In sheet 1, just go there, do a right click, do a insert, and there is a worksheet. Open the worksheet. So you'll get a next sheet. So if you want to delete the same sheet, right click, right click, delete it. Okay. So now I am using the sheet 2. Okay, I will rename the sheet 2 as double click the sheet 2. It will help you to rename it budget sheet. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how we will use the formulas in everyday in office life, and I will let you know how what are the percentage, max, average, subtractions, so which are used in everyday office life. Okay, so I have made a small Excel sheet, so it will be easy for you to understand. So it's like monthly expenses, like our personal expenses I have made. Then what is the monthly amount I can spend? I have mentioned here. So these are like amount I have mentioned. If we want this proper alignment, go to home. You can see this command style. Click it. So you'll get in the decimal value also. If you don't want to see the decimal value, you can decrease the decimal value. If you want to see the decimal value, you can increase the decimal value. These are the small elements which will help you to show your presentation good in your everyday office life. Okay, so I'll do one thing. We'll start with sum function. Okay, what is sum? SEM sum. Sum is the formula which is basically used for adding. Okay, so if you want to add this 10,000, 11,000, 11,500.5, you need to use some formula. Okay, you can use like that for any formula. When you're using the formula, any formula you're using, the first thing is this equal to is a base thing. So you can add 10,000 plus again 11,000 plus 11,500. This is the um, adding method. So there is a shortcut method also, equal to SVM sum, open bracket, select all these three cells, and enter. So you will get this total sum. Okay, so that is 32,500. Sorry. So this is 32,500. So I have copied this formula and I have pasted for all the cells. Okay, so the formula will be get pasted for all the rows. Okay, so you don't want to put the formula every time for all the rows. So once you copy this, you can just paste it. Okay, so how you can copy? So you can go here. I'll tell you how to copy this. Okay, okay, so home, copy. Okay, select the cells where you want to paste, go there. Okay, paste, you can find it. Okay, So there are some shortcut keys which will help you to finish your work fastly. Control C is for copy. Control plus C for copying. Okay. Control plus V for pasting. Okay. And okay. So now I'll copy this. I'll select it. Control V. So it will, all the formulas will be pasted easily, and it will save us time. Okay. Now I'll make a grand total here. Okay, I'll make another total here. Okay, so if you want to make so like equal to sum, open bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, then you'll get the total. Okay, there is another formula that alt equal to, if you use it, you'll get automatically, it will be for the formula will be captured, the value where it will available, it will be captured. Okay, so copy, control C, paste, control V. So again I'll tell you, so for using this formula, alt equal to, so once you use alt equal to, you will get the cell automatically get highlighted, and enter, copy and paste. So this is the sum formula. So you can use sum formula in different type. Either you can equal to, select each row, and you can do a sum, selecting each row. Third, using sum formula, equal to SCM sum, open bracket, select the cells which you need to be added, enter this formula. Next is alt plus equal to, alt equal to, this will save our time. So this 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 last two, the last two steps are so easy, and it will help us to save our time. Okay, so these are the formulas which used for adding the rows and columns. Okay, so next we'll go to, so next we will see the subtraction, how we will do subtraction. For example, I mentioned here expenses without April month. So out of this total value, I don't want this April month expenses, so I want to reduce April month expense value from the total. So equal to, select the cell, total cell, minus, select the cell which need to be deducted, enter, copy it, control C and control V, paste. Again, if I want to total this entire expenses without April, again alt equal to, enter. So this is subtraction method. Okay, so next is multiplication. Okay, so here I will show you how we'll multiply using our formula. Okay, so now we are going to plan for a July budget. So I'm increasing my budget by 10 percentage from June budget. Okay, so like 10 percentage I'm increasing, so equal to June expenses into, okay, select the percentage value, enter. Okay, fine. So now I'll so copy it and paste. See, now we are getting a different errors and values. So how to avoid this errors and different values, so we need to make at this 10 percentage as the fixed cell for multiplication. Okay, so your June month rows will be changing, but your percentage is same for increasing the budget. So what we need to do is just go to this G2. You can see a G2, this is the formula bar which I told you, G2. Okay, so go here, okay, and make a dollar symbol. Okay, dollar symbol which tell with it's in Excel, it tells us that this cell or the cell in the row and column cannot be changed at time of formulas. Okay, so now if you uh, now if you multiply, copy, control V, copy, control C, control V, control V. So now if you see, so monthly there is a 10% increase. Only the rows are getting changed, but the percentages remain same. So because we have added the dollar symbol here. Okay, so now alt equal to sum formula. Okay, so same for August. What I am doing is that I am increasing 10% again from July budget equal to, select the cell which you need to increase, select the H row and go to your formula bar, click between H and 2, put F4. This is the shortcut for your dollar symbol, F4. Okay, F4. So so now as of now we have seen uh, adding, subtraction, multiply. Okay, next I will tell you how we can add a two column. Okay, so I need to add now E column and I column. Okay, so what is I column? I column is nothing but July and August. I'm adding it. Okay, same, alt equal, copy, control C, control V. So I am making grand total, alt equal. Okay, fine. So now I'm gonna add one more row. So a column, how we can add a column is that click on a J column, right click, insert. So one more column you added. I'm making a total expenses from April to August. So equal to, select the E row plus I4, total of April, May, June, and I'm adding with total of July and August. So I will know what is my expenses from April to August. Again, what we need to do is this: Control C, copy, Control V, paste here, alt equal to. Yeah. So I hope everybody will get this point. Okay. Now I will show you how average we can calculate from this value. Okay. So I will delete this total expenses for April and August. Right click, delete. I will delete this total expenses. Click, delete. Right click, delete. Okay. So what is my average expenses for the month? Okay. So that there are two methods which we can use. Okay. One, equal to sum, open bracket, add from April to August. Total how many months? April, May, June, July, August. 5 months. Close the bracket. Okay. Divided by 5. This is one formula. Okay. Which is a time consuming formula. You can make an average formula equal to average. Okay. You can see here average, tab, open bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, Okay, so this is one of the average formula. You can control C, control V if you want it to be copied to the next row. Okay, so there are one more one more option which is easy and simple for quick to know how what is the sum, what is the sum value, what is the average value. For example, if I want to know what is the sum for this without doing a grand total, just click, you can see down there's a sum of sum value. So this sum and here total value will match. Sorry, you can see 88,331, 88,331.2. So average 17666.26. Okay, so these functions will help you to quick view of your sum and average, how much what is the value for your working. Okay, so this is average formula. So again I'll tell you formula, equal to average, open bracket, select the cells and close bracket. Okay, copy, control C, control V, paste. So totaling of average expenses is alt equal to enter. Okay, okay, so next I'll tell you what is minimum, how we can find a minimum expense from this total. Okay, monthly, what is the minimum expense. Okay, so minimum equal to min, min, open bracket, select your cells, enter. So the minimum expenses which we done from April to August is 10,000 rupees. Control C, copy, control V, alt equal to is total. So how we will find the max, equal to max, tab. You need to use tab button when you are making a formula equal to max. You will find the list of formulas in Excel. So what we need is max. If you want to select that, give a tab button. Automatically the open bracket will get open to reflect in your Excel. So select the cell, close bracket, Control C, Control V, alt equal to. Okay, so these are the basic formulas which we have seen. If you have any doubt, if you want to improve any corrections maybe you, please give in my comment button, so it will be helpful for me to improve in future. If you want to know any formulas, or if you want to know any other basic things in Excel, please mention the comment button, so that I will take it in future videos. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.